If you want to make downloads faster in Google Chrome, enabling parallel downloading can help improve download speed and performance. Parallel downloading is an experimental Chrome feature that splits large files into smaller parts and downloads them simultaneously. This can reduce download time, especially for large files, software, videos, or documents. The good news is that enabling this feature is very simple. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to enable parallel downloading in Google Chrome in 2026, step by step, even if you have zero technical knowledge. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome opens, click on the address bar at the top of the browser window. Now type chrome//flags and press Enter. This will open Chrome's experimental settings page, where hidden browser features can be enabled or disabled. At the top of the flags page, you will see a search box. Click inside the search box and type parallel downloading. Chrome will automatically search for the feature and display the related setting. Once you see the parallel downloading flag, look to the right side of it. You will see a drop-down menu that is usually set to default. Click the drop-down menu and change the setting to Enabled. After enabling the feature, Chrome will show a relaunch button near the bottom of the screen. Click the relaunch button to restart Chrome with the updated setting. This step is very important because the feature will not activate until Chrome restarts. Once Chrome opens again, parallel downloading should now be enabled. From this point onward, Chrome may use multiple connections while downloading larger files to improve speed and efficiency. Now, let's quickly understand how this works. Normally, Chrome downloads files using a single connection. With parallel downloading enabled, Chrome divides supported files into several parts and downloads those parts simultaneously. This can improve performance on stable and fast internet connections. Keep in mind that the improvement may vary depending on your internet speed, the website server, and the file size. Some websites or servers may limit multiple connections, so the feature may not always increase speed dramatically on every download. If you ever want to disable the feature later, simply return to chrome/flags, search for parallel downloading again, and change the setting back to default or disabled. Then relaunch Chrome once more. Another useful tip is keeping Chrome updated because experimental features work best on newer browser versions. Click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Help, then select About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them if available. You should also avoid enabling too many Chrome flags at the same time. Since these are experimental features, enabling unnecessary flags can sometimes cause browser instability or compatibility issues. It is usually best to enable only the features you actually need. If downloads are still slow, even after enabling parallel downloading, check your internet connection, restart your router, or pause other devices using bandwidth on the network. Download speed is also affected by your internet provider and the website server itself. So that's the easiest way to enable parallel downloading in Google Chrome in 2026. The main steps are opening the Chrome/flags page, searching for parallel downloading, enabling the feature, relaunching Chrome, and testing download performance afterward. Most users can activate this feature within just a few minutes using these simple methods. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Chrome tutorials and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.